Hi, Mubashir here from LMS Crafter, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change the color of any image inside Canva. I've been using the Adobe Photoshop for a very long time, and it's a pretty different thing in Adobe Photoshop, and it says the image overlay. You overlay something on an image, either it can be the color or it can be an image, but inside the Canva it's a little bit tricky things to do, but it's really simple, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in just a moment. Okay, so first you need to do is that you need to edit the image, and you need to you need to add the image, and you need to go inside the effects, and inside the effect you need to select the duotone. Okay, if you select the duotone, you have to select the custom colors. By the way, I have a possibility to change the color from here, but again I want to overlay something, so we just click on the custom color. You can choose any of these colors and you can modify the intensity based on what you like, but I'll go with the custom. And what you really need to do, I need this image to be white, so that image pops up on the black background. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make this one white, this gray highlight, and the shadows white as well. That's it. It's really that simple inside the Canva. So this is how you can do that. And if you want to change any colors, if you want to overlay any things, you can do that by going to Duotone stuff. There are a lot of pre-made presets available there, but this is what I need, so I thought let's just make a video while I was doing this. So here we go. So if you have any question for me, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.